to find random live videos on Instagram. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to find random live videos on Instagram. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So to do that, just head over to the plus icon right here and then scroll until you reach the option for live. Once you have done that, just head over and try to record a live, just a short live itself. So as live video, and then in here you can view in here your archive, all of that. So from in there, what you can do next is you just need to head over and just discard the media, head over to your messages, head over to the person that you send this live into. So when you click on this live and then you watch it, so as you can see, it will watch itself like this, and then in a few moments it will end because we only recorded a few live. So once it has been ended, you should be able to see some suggestions. So it will take some time in order to see those suggestions that you can see, but as you can see right now, here it is. So here are some random live videos on Instagram. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to find random live videos on Instagram. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks.